P&I Safehouse 200 kit is used for natural gas, methane, LPG gases with propane and butane, and coal gases detection. When the fuel gas leak exceeds the standard 20% LE, the gas detector will emit a continuous 85 decibel sound alarm and a visual red light warning. The built-in semiconductor sensor has a long life service up to 5 years, high versatility and tolerance to extreme and moderate ambient conditions. The plug-and-play connection makes the P&I Safehouse 200 kit extremely easy and practical to install. ABS flame retardant plastic is anti-weld, anti-pawn, anti-corrosive and easy to clean. With small energy consumption of 3 watts and a low price, the P&I Safehouse 200 kit helps you in building personal safety. The kit can be widely used in restaurants, kitchens, hospitals, hotels, oil factories, garages, gas stations and so on.